Good morning. I am Yushka from Senior A section. I am playing a role of cloud. A cloud is a collection of tiny water droplets. Usually in the Earth's atmosphere, clouds can be found at various sites, from low-lying fog to high-level cirrus clouds. The water evaporates from ocean, river, and lake goes into the air. The water vapor in the air cools and condenses into tiny droplets. Condensed droplets gather with dust, salt, and polluted. There are 5 types of clouds: cirrus cloud, cumulus cloud, stratus clouds, nimbus clouds, cumulonimbus clouds. Importance of cloud: regulating earth temperature, influencing weather pattern. Thank you.